Hello everyone, in this video, we will explore applying real-time AI architectural visualization to our 3D modeling environment. And let's get started. The modeling environment can be any 3D modeling program, but I am using Rhino 3D, and the workflow is made inside ComfyUI. So here we are inside the workflow. It is available on Patreon. There is a note on the left side that has the links to all the used models, including Checkpoint, LoRa and ControlNet. Unfortunately, this workflow will only work for the portable version of ComfyUI. It might not work on the ComfyUI's desktop application. The workflow has the Stable Diffusion 1.5 model set as the main checkpoint model. This model has high efficiency in processing time. That's why it is used in the workflow. Additionally, the SD 1.5 ControlNet models are also used. This LoRa model is essential to achieve fast AI generations. It is available on Civet AI. Make sure to check it from the links on the left side. You can write your prompt description here, describe the architectural details and the visual mood that you want. To set the real-time rendering process, you need to start sharing the screen from here and select the 3D modeling environment. Then, make sure to set the boundary of the rendering process, and click Live Run to sync ComfyUI with the 3D modeling environment. Start running one initial process to see the output. On the bottom right side of the output, click Picture-in-Picture to set the outputs next to your 3D modeling program. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check our Patreon page. Thank you for watching.